Dix. Next time you see her, she's going to look a little different. Let's do one more little pass through. Got that bed looking right. Exhaust looking good. Probably can't even hear me because it sounds like a truck. Just wait. Wait till y'all see her again. You look like you damn eat a banana for the shape, not the taste, you nerd. Shut up. What up, dicks? Welcome back to the channel where we do shit Colts way. Look at these new Bush cans, huh? Bush. All right. Proceed. She's sitting a little taller, ain't she? Huh? Huh? We'll do a quick little video about some stuff I've got done to the truck. It's been a while. I know I put a little post out in the community saying I was going to do it. It's hunting season. Just been busy. But let's I ain't started it in about a week, so let's see. Let me let you get the full effect here. Let me zoom in over here. Just make sure, you know, we're following all the guidelines. It's going to be a clean start. No smoke, nothing like that. When you say nothing at all. I like a top, son. You can't beat this son of a gun. I couldn't kill it if I had to. All right, we'll go back. I'll take you to the backyard. We'll walk around it. All right, dicks. Let's roll this sucker to the backyard. See what she's made of, old son. Put her back here, get a good view of her. Huh? Yeah. Turn this sucker around right here. Drive like a top. Can't beat it. All right. Isn't she freaking beautiful? Got a 4-inch put on her. Some 255, 85, 16 Toyota MTs. 255, 85, 16. They like a... I wanted like a tall, skinny, like a, you know, those old bias ply tires, but I didn't want a bias ply. This was the tallest, skinniest I could find. It's Toyo. It's supposed to be a 33 by 9, but Toyo says these measure to like a 33.4 or some shit. I don't know. So it's 33 by 9, but this thing is legit. I mean, freaking love this thing. How beautiful did it turn out? I don't know if the video does it justice, but I mean, that sucker's sitting up there good now. Just went with a cheap, you know, rough country lift, just a 4-inch lift. Basically, it's new springs in the front and shocks and then blocks in the back. I mean, hell, it's just a truck. I ain't trying to put no freaking one-up off-road or Carly on it. I mean, I'm just driving this thing around town and everybody's trying to buy it. Oh, I got the Steely wheels on. I had these, you know, these hubcaps that came with it. I freaking was scounging Facebook and I found a guy that was selling 4 more, so now I got 2 sets. That was the original one I had. That's for the rear. It was missing that little thing, so I can swap it out. You know, the front ones stay open because of the hubs, but the rear ones have those covers on it, and the one that I had was missing. So I got 3 with covers for the rears. I'm going to pick the best ones out, but I say I was going to pick the best ones out and put on there, but I don't really think I am. I've been driving around like this, and I've had it like this for, I don't know, a couple, 2, 3 weeks now with just the ugly ass Steelies, and I just think it looks nasty, and I love the hell out of it. When I got the lift put on, my steering gearbox was leaking pretty bad, so I had a remand one put on. I mean, you can see it up under there, but it no longer leaks anymore. So my wife's happy about that because it was all over the driveway, but I do have, the transmission is leaking. It's leaking on the, let me see if I can get up under it. The pan is seeping a little bit, and then right here at that U-joint, I don't know if the camera's, yeah, right there at the U-joint, it's leaking right there. So there, and then that pan, I mean, it shifts fine. Vacuum's good on it, everything like that. It's not leaking enough that I got to like add any because I check it and it's always full, but it's leaking enough to piss me off. So I got to get it fixed eventually. So I'll probably have new seals and everything put in it. I don't know when, but I think I've put probably close to, I don't know, hell, probably 250 miles on it just around town. The first time I started it is because we went to Broken Bow, and then I went to the camp, so I hadn't drove it in about a week. But I've been, my personal truck, I just been parking it like well, this is my personal truck. I'm working or some shit, you dumb idiot. I need a bush on that one. Let me see here. Bush. No, but my regular truck, it'll go like a week and a half, 2 weeks before I even started. The camp's about 45 miles. I haven't drove this to the camp yet, but I'm going to here pretty soon. But the camp's about 45 miles. I haven't drove it, so I've been driving my personal truck back and forth. And it's not that I don't trust it, but it's kind of that I don't trust it because I don't want to be on the way there and then something happen and I'm stuck at 4 in the morning, you know. So I'm gonna have the maiden voyage here up pretty soon on this sucker. But hadn't made it to the camp yet, but I got over 200 miles just around town. Haven't had a problem. Well, I say that. The brakes get really, really stiff, and I think it's is it called the Hydro Boost or something? Let me see if I can pull this up. I'll tell you what I think it is. I think I got to change it, or a brake booster or some. I got a vacuum tester. I checked vacuum. I got plenty of vacuum, but I think it's that rusty circle thing right there I need to change out. But it's like when I first started, sometimes it doesn't happen, but sometimes I hit the brake and it's like really hard. Or like if I'm driving and I've stopped and then I go forward a little bit and I try to stop again, it's freaking extremely hard to push. So I think that's what it is. I got to change that out. It doesn't do it all the time, so that makes me think like maybe it's just a slow leak, or I know this a lot of times when I first start, maybe it hadn't built up enough pressure. I don't know how it works. I'm not a freaking genius. I just drive shit. But I think that's what it is. Oh, so I put the 4-inch on it. The tires, I mean, she's looking sweet. But also, look at them door panels right there. Sun guards don't look near as faded, do they? $20. Actually, the mechanic that I had that had it forever, was doing stuff on it. He had one of these in his backyard, and I went over there. It was red and tear. I asked him. I said, "Hey," he's like, "Man, I don't care." So I was like, "I gotta give you something for it. I can't just take it, you know." So $20. I mean, they're almost like. I tried to video it. It was a dumbass video, so I didn't even. So I changed them out. The driver's side one's a little bit faded on the top, but if you remember what the ones looked like when I got this thing, it was like pretty much they were white. They were like the whole way to the top one over there. I did that, and then I bought these new seals. So you just keep water from going down on the inside, but you know, I just pulled the old ones out. They were dry rotted to shit and back. So I pulled them suckers out, put that on there, put the new, not new, but newer, redder door panels that weren't all as faded. They looked like this everywhere. They were like this almost all the way down. I do have to, I had the ones that I got from him, these parts were messed up. So these are the original ones that I had. I just swapped them out. But I'm going to get a little torch like everybody's been saying and just kind of heat this up and bring the color back. But that one doesn't need it at all. And this one, I mean, I haven't even armor altered or nothing, but I'm going to clean it up here pretty soon. But damn, some $20, freaking can't beat it. It's about time this thing gets a little washed. I washed the outside. I mean, I sprayed it with water and stuff. I ain't washed it yet, but I do need to clean this thing. It's nasty as shit. Treat it right. It needs to be cleaned. But just little by little, I've been doing stuff with it, driving around town. Talking about it. You think it's like a chick magnet, but it's really like I hate to say it's like a dude magnet. Everybody trying to buy it. Nope, not for sale. I'm sorry, but I just driving this like bring back old memories. I just love driving. The clatter of this, like blah, 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 so loud I can't even hear myself think. Pull up to the gym, just old school. Every time I'm at the stoplight, they'll be looking. I'll be like, yeah, stare some more. You look like you damn eat a banana for the shape, not the taste, you nerd. Shut up. But I just love this truck. It's starting to come along, but I just kind of want to do a little update on what I had done to it. Like I said, 4-inch, just a cheap, you know, rough country 4-inch. I did get the Pittman drop arms so like that could line it up better. It still doesn't. It still kind of toes in a little bit, but I took it to the alignment shop. It drives straight, but I think that TTB front end is always going to kind of do that. But I don't. Like I said, I ain't no damn mechanic. But when I got home with it, I pulled up next to the Super Duty. I was like, damn, because I looked over and like the mirrors were like almost when I first picked it up, I didn't think it was going to be this high. And maybe the video isn't like doing it justice, but she's up there. It's legit. But just like I said, I want to do a kind of little quick video, just update, you know, some of the stuff I did. But she's got a 4-inch, some mean ass Toyo MTs, tall, skinny, like old pizza cutters, but I didn't want nothing wide sticking out. I just want, this is the kind of look I was going for. Just this, damn, that's pretty as shit. Pretty as shit. So I got some taillights for it. They're in the garage, so we'll do that video here soon. I'll change it. I mean, honestly, I don't even know if I want to change the taillight. They look good. I mean, they work good. I feel like if I put new taillights on there, might make it look too nice. Then everybody be trying to buy it. But I do got some new taillights. I got new headlights in the garage too. We'll do those on the same video. I'm not gonna like show you how to install it, but I'll just put them on there and whatever. But these are so faded. I mean, you can't see shit in them. The sun's beating on it right now, but let me block it with the shade. But they're pretty faded. So I got the new headlights and these little marker lights or run lights, whatever, and the new taillights. So I don't know when I'll do that, but I'm gonna do it pretty soon. Honestly, I've been hunting the shit out of some deer, and that's why I really ain't filmed much. I've been filming every time I hunt, but like, you know, you get up in the morning, you film, you drive, you film in the tree, and then you don't see shit. So all that filming is just, I'm not gonna put a video out with no damn deer and nothing shot. Hell no. So I probably got about, no lie, probably 15 of those on my truck, starting at the day, in the beginning of the day, and then sitting or getting down, moving stands to a different spot, going to my saddle somewhere else, you know, and then no deer, no buck or nothing that I'm trying to. So, you know, I'm not going to post that. Nobody's going to watch that shit. But so that's why I really ain't been doing much on the YouTube, because I've been trying to do hunt videos, and I do this every year. I get after one specific buck, and that's all I can think about. I don't want no other bucks. And I could have got videos of these other deer and this, and I want that damn buck. And it's really put a hinder on shit because I ain't got no film. But I am going to hear pretty soon, once I drive around town a little bit longer. And you know, me and my buddy Fred, he's going to ride out to the truck, Maiden voyage with me to the camp. Or so that's the plan. But I really might go by myself, because I don't want to break down or something and he's with me and we're both stranded, where I can at least call him to come get me or something, you know. But I got faith, and I don't think it's going to break down. It's run flawlessly. It hadn't given me any reason to think it's going to break down. I don't know why I got this in my head that I don't, you know, what it is if I got to get up at 3, I leave here at 4, it's an hour there, you know, at 5. So like, damn, I just hate to get up that early and get stranded, and I'm just sitting there. So I know that old 6.7 ain't there, and she ain't going to let me down unless CP4 blows. But hopefully get DCR pump here pretty soon. Anyway, that ain't even what this video's about, damn. But I just kind of wanted to do a little video and show you what I got done to her. 4-inch Toyos, looking mean as shit. I'll do a little bit more videoing, and then we'll call it a day. But just a little update on her. 4-inch Toyos. Not a new gearbox. It's new to me. A remand one. I could have got a redhead, I guess, but you know, like I said, I ain't trying to. I mean, damn, but some bitch works. But damn, she's pretty. Damn, she's coming along. I just, I got an expensive drone that's too effing smart for me to use. So I bought this little old DJI Neo drone, and then thinking my mic was gonna hook to it, but it doesn't, because I got the first generation mic and it doesn't have effing Bluetooth. So now I, like, you know, the plans I had for it, like, I can't really do, because so I don't know. I might get a little footage up here in the air, or I might not. Hell, I really don't know. But it was just about the truck, you know, just about the truck. But damn, stepped right up in that ant bed. They everywhere. But anyway, 4-inch Toyos, camouflage old school bush latte. What? All right, let's get some aerial footage or whatever. Maybe I can make it do something. I don't know. But let's shut up, Colt. Just watch. All right, on second thought, F the drone. I can't figure it out. It's too smart for me. But I wanted to show you look at this, Bush beer. Look at that. A little Halloween theme. You know how it is. But I'll leave a link to that in the comments. I got it off TikTok, but I think it's quicker to get it off Amazon. I don't exactly know. But anyway, she sits up pretty dang high now, don't she? She's quite a bit taller, I know that. But anyway, the old 273 is just a chillin'. But I got too much stuff to do. Got the old saddle stuff in the back of the Ranger. Latitude Method 2 saddle, Latitude Carbon SS sticks, and I forget the name of this Latitude, whatever platform is, but I don't know what model it is, but it's all Latitude. I like the double panel, but I might get a single panel next if I do. And I got some stealth stripping coming because these are loud as heck. But anyway, appreciate the hell out of y'all watching the channel, man. It's just a quick video because I got stuff to do. Just kind of wanted to give an update about how just beautiful that thing is. Appreciate y'all. Well, I think Hannah Barron says appreciate y'all, so I'm just gonna say later, dicks. I ain't stealing nobody's content. Peace.